All right, YouTube, I'm back. Product review. Here's a Pioneer Performance Plus Performance Products Oil Pump Pickup Retainer. Small block Chevy, 1955 to 92. 5/8 inch diameter. Made in the USA. Nice little product. You undo 2 bolts and slide it over. And after you do that, you're going to have to use a socket to access that, because now there's a little bit of a lip on the part itself. I guess it's just to hold rigidity. They kind of bend it so it stays, shaped. And then you're going to need, I believe, 7/16 for this one. That's going to be 7/16. You can just hold one end with your, I used an adjustable, and the other side with the socket. So 10 millimeter and a 7/16 seem to work fine. I had marked it before I installed it, and after I installed it, I tried bending it and moving it, and it wouldn't go anywhere. So nice little nifty product. I have no need to do any welding. I think that's kind of would be overkill. And I can use it again, and I can change a pickup tube. And so good product for like 17 bucks. Why drive around looking for a welder and you don't even know if it's going to hold or not? That's the Pioneer Performance Products Oil Pump Pickup Retainer. See you later.